Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to file and pay your quarterly Kentucky weight distance tax. There are several states that require quarterly filings along with your fuel tax. You can do them all about the same time, and Kentucky is one of them. But luckily Kentucky is one of the easier states to file, so this really isn't going to be too long. There's not too much to it. But if you're an independent owner-operator, this is one of the things you have to do when you have your own authority. You can source it, you can outsource it to a permit company or somebody else, but it's really very simple. So maybe you've never done it before, but it's not a daunting task. So maybe check this video out and you'll see that you could probably do it yourself and save a little bit of money. Now, in regards to Kentucky, when you have a Kentucky KYU number, make sure there's something that goes along with that for the state of Kentucky that a lot of people forget, and the consequences will get you a ticket first time you pull into a Kentucky weigh station. And that is that you need to have your truck listed on your Kentucky taxable inventory. So in the website, the same place where you file your Kentucky quarterly return, there is a section there for your taxable inventory. And every quarter, I just take a look at mine and just make sure that nothing happened to it. And I don't change it, but you know how things go on the other end, and they make mistakes. So I just check on that once a quarter when I do my filings. So I'm gonna flip the screen around here, and I'm gonna walk you right through filing this thing. And I'm gonna have to blur out a bunch. This form is full of personal information, so I'm gonna have to blur that out. But you'll still be able to see what I'm doing here and to get the gist of it. So let's get started. All right, so here we are. We start at the page kentucky.gov. And up here you'll see where it says businesses. I'll click on that. And then I'm just going to do a search here for KYU filing. Oops, we got to find the section here where I have it saved in my favorites, but I want to show you how to get there. Okay, and then right here, click on the first option. Oh, it brought us right where we want to be. So right here you'll see if you're new with your own authority and you want to apply for a KYU license number, just click right here and go through that process. Over here is where we can check that taxable inventory like I was telling you about. You just click in here and type in your KYU number and it'll show you. But we want right here, KYU e-file. Alright, so here was the page where we got to log in. I already have my username and password in there. So it brings us right here. And it says, what is your KYU number? So we're going to type that in right here. And hit next. It wants you to verify your address that if this is you. We're going to say, yes, it is us. Go to next. Now it wants to know what year and quarter we're filing for. So 2020, and I'm filing for the second quarter. So we'll click on that. Now it wants to know the total number of miles you operated in Kentucky during the second quarter. So I'm just going to go to this sheet I used to keep track of my IFTA, and my total mileage was 2,469. So we'll put that in there. Click next. Then it wants to know if your business is closed, if this is your final return, and you want to cancel your license. And my answer is no. Alright, we get to this page here, and it calculated our tax for us. I owe $70.37. So this weight distance thing is not the kind of thing that you can offset by buying fuel there. This is charged per mile, no matter what. So you do need to file this, and if you travel in Kentucky, you will owe. So here it wants you to type in your name. We're going to verify this here. Phone number. Alright, and then it gives you some options to pay. Right here you can pay by credit card or ACH, or a voucher where you could write a check and mail it in. And I'm just going to do by credit card here. Or debit card. That works too. Okay, so And adds in a nice little service fee for you here, $2.81. Yay for them. So then all you have to do over here is enter your credit card information, expiration date, name, address, city, state, and then click next. I'm going to do that here, and I'm going to skip over it, and then I'll be back to show you the end result so that I don't accidentally give away any personal information here. Alrighty, so I put in all my credit card information, and I clicked next, and then it brought me to a page where it just asked me to verify it. I clicked on Pay Now, and it brought me to this final screen here where you will get a confirmation number and a receipt to print off for your, your records and your taxes. So you're going to email it to yourself, or you can print it. And then when you're all done here on the bottom, click Finish. And that's all she wrote. We're all done filing our quarterly Kentucky weight distance tax. So you can see it's not very hard. Definitely easy enough to do yourself. So I hope you liked this video. Have a good day.